If you have too many albums in the gallery of your Samsung phone and it is difficult for you to scroll through all of these albums, then let us see what we can do. The first thing that you can do is you can arrange this album in a list. For that one, what you do is use your two fingers to pinch and zoom in. So I will just pinch and zoom in one of the album, and you can see the albums will be arranged in a list. So in this way it will be easier for you to view the albums. The next thing that you can do is you can choose to see only those albums that you want. What you do is tap on these three dotted icons here, go to this option, select essential albums. Then from here you can select only those albums that you want to see, and then you can hide other albums. Remove the tick mark from those albums which you want to hide. After that, select done. So you will see only those albums that you want to see. And if you want to view all the albums, you just have to tap on this option, view all, and then you can see all the albums again. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.